Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play Roblox on iPad with keyboard and mouse. You'd think plugging a keyboard and mouse into an iPad would instantly turn it into a mini gaming PC, but Roblox has few opinions about that. I tried it myself, and the setup is actually super simple. Just connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to your iPad, and that's pretty much it. No hidden settings, no complicated setup screens. Once you jump into a game, the keyboard works for movement right away, which feels surprisingly natural. The mouse lets you look around and click, but this is where things get a little weird. It's not a precise SPC, and some controls like right click or custom keybinds don't always work depending on the game. That's because a lot of Roblox experiences are built mainly for touch or desktop, not this in between setup. Still, for casual play, it's totally usable. If a game feels off, it's probably the game itself, not your setup. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.